Hello students, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel once again. और कैसे हो आप? Hope everyone is fine. So I will be discussing this topic of what are the functional groups. So it is a very important topic to understand the entire organic chemistry. So we can write the parent hydrocarbon like this RH. So if we replace this one hydrogen atom from parent hydrocarbon by a group of atoms, then which is shown here by G. So then it will form a organic compound Rg. So here in this Rg, R represent CH framework of molecule, which we also call the alkyl group. Alkyl group. And G is the functional group. So organic compound, any organic compound is made up of two parts. First is the alkyl group and second is the G, means which is the functional group in the organic compound. So now let's understand what is the functional group. So we can say a functional group is an atom or a group of atoms present in a molecule. So this is the functional group. This is an atom or a group of atoms present in a molecule, and it is responsible for the chemical properties of an organic compound. So this functional group is responsible for all the chemical properties of a particular organic compound. And the remaining part, this R part of the molecule, is responsible for the physical properties. So R, which we also call alkyl group, is responsible for the physical properties such as melting point, boiling point, density, refractive index and solubility, etc. So R part is responsible for all the physical properties of a molecule. So if we take an example, so here I have written these compounds. This is CH3OH, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. So all of them are having the same functional group. All of them are having the same OH functional group. So and these are called the alcohols also. So they all three of them, because same functional group are there, they will exhibit the same chemical properties. So here I have taken R for the alkyl group. So ROH, when any alcohol which reacts with the sodium metal, it forms RONA plus. Means that this bond, OH bond is like a broken here, and this H is replaced by sodium and it forms the sodium alkoxide. So this is the chemical property, and all three of them undergo this reaction. They show the same chemical property. So same functional groups are there if are present. So all the compounds will exhibit the same chemical properties. So here I have written this RCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. And these are the few examples of carboxylic acid, because all of them are having the same functional group, COH, COH, COH. So they will show the same chemical properties. In the same way, here RCHO, this is the aldehyde. So various examples I have written here. So all of them are having the same functional group, aldehydic functional group. So all of them will have the same chemical properties. So in the nutshell, we can say functional group are responsible for the chemical properties of the organic molecule, and the remaining part, which is the alkyl group, the remaining part of alkyl group is responsible for the physical properties of organic molecules. So, but some exceptions are also there in case of the large molecules having two or more functional groups. So, such large molecules where two or more functional groups are present in close proximity. In such case, the molecules exhibit special properties which are typical of neither one or another functional group. So in such cases where the molecule is a very large molecule and more than two functional groups are present, so they exhibit some special properties which is neither specific of one or another functional group. So thank you so much. Hope now it will be very much clear to all of you about the functional group. Thank you.